Well, we have about 8 GMAW welding booths, and we have about 6 to 8 stick welding booths, and then we have 2 really nice GTAW or TIG welding booths over there, and we have a really nice plasma cutter, horizontal bandsaw. We have a hydraulic iron worker over here. It's a really nice piece of equipment to have. So it's a very nicely set up shop. So we first make sure everybody can operate in here safely, and then we start moving to the fundamentals like the wire feed or GMA welding, stick welding or SMW welding, and then and of course oxyacetylene welding and torch cutting. And then in the more advanced course, the second semester course, they get into more TIG welding and the plasma cutting. And then maybe on the third semester, then they get a little bit more time for their own projects. So I'm staying one spot this way. Yeah, I think your torch was just a little close. You know that little sharp blue stone? Yeah. It was kind of like, I could still think it was kind of dragging in the middle. Give it that little bit of distance, it'll spread the heat out a little bit more.
I'm currently about to work on this Xbox. I'm going to use gas metal arc welding, GMA welding. And currently I'm just working on my welds, trying to work on my technique and see how deep into the metal and how good of welds I can get. What I did right here is a filler weld. It's just a practice weld on top of another one, and I'm trying to get it as deep down into this plate as possible. It didn't turn out as well as I'd like, but I'm going to try again and see if I can get it better. Welding seems like a lot of fun when you have a really good program here and a really good teacher, and it's fun to make projects, and it's a good skill to have later in life. There's a possibility of making a career out of it, and I just really enjoy it.
I'm going to be doing a horizontal shielded metal arc weld. Here we go.
All right.
It's different. It's fun to just have a variety of different welding. It's just a good trait to have, and a skill to have. You never know where it might take you, so, and it's fun, so.
Well, it's empowering because you can always fix your own stuff, or I try to get them to set their sights high, become a mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer, and so it's just a really good skill that they can monetize and hopefully, set them up for, a happy, successful life in the future.